Ryzen 3. Ryzen 3 is AMD's entry-level processor, built for people who just need a basic, affordable computer. It usually comes with 4 to 6 cores, which is more than enough for everyday tasks like browsing the web, watching YouTube, writing documents, and joining video calls. Light games like Minecraft or Fortnite on low settings are doable, but anything heavier, like Call of Duty or Cyberpunk, will start to struggle and lag. But that's exactly what makes Ryzen 3 great. It's cheap, it gets the job done for most people, and it's a perfect starting point for a budget PC. Now about the suffixes. When you see a letter at the end of a Ryzen CPU name, that tells you something important about what the chip can do. For laptops, Ryzen 3 usually comes with the U suffix. For example, Ryzen 3 73020U. The U means the CPU is built to save power, so your laptop stays cool and the battery lasts much longer. On desktops, some Ryzen 3 models come with the G suffix, like the Ryzen 3 5300G. This means the CPU has built-in AMD Radeon graphics inside it, so you don't need a separate graphics card at all, which makes it perfect for a really cheap budget PC build. Ryzen 5. Ryzen 5 is AMD's mid-range processor, and honestly, it's the most popular CPU series AMD makes. It hits the sweet spot between price and performance. It's still affordable, but it's a big step up from Ryzen 3. It comes with 6 to 12 cores, which makes it great for gaming, photo editing, video editing on a casual level, and programming. A lot of content creators use Ryzen 5 because it handles these heavier tasks without costing a fortune.
I don't make mistakes. I'm not just like the rest of you. I'm stronger. I'm smarter. I'm better. I am better!
One thing that's important to understand, a higher tier doesn't always mean a massive jump in performance if you're comparing different generations. For example, if you compare an older Ryzen 5 against a brand new Ryzen 3, they might actually perform pretty similarly, because the newer generation improves the CPU's speed and efficiency a lot. So always check the generation, not just the tier number. For laptops, Ryzen 5 comes with the HS suffix, like the Ryzen 5 7535HS. This is aimed at thinner gaming laptops that need solid performance without burning through battery too fast. It's the sweet spot for a mid-range gaming laptop. On desktops, look for the X suffix, like the Ryzen 5 9600X. X models have higher clock speeds than the base models, meaning they run faster out of the box. Ryzen 7. Ryzen 7 is AMD's high-performance processor for people who do serious work on their computers. We're talking video editors, streamers, game developers, and heavy multitaskers. It comes with 8 to 16 cores, which means it can easily handle playing a game on high settings while recording with OBS, running Discord, having a bunch of Chrome tabs open, and streaming to Twitch, all at the same time without breaking a sweat. For laptops, Ryzen 7 comes with the HX suffix. It gives you desktop-level performance in a laptop, but it runs hot and drains battery fast, so it needs a big cooling system. On desktops, the most exciting version is the X3D suffix, and this is AMD's secret weapon. The Ryzen 7 9800X3D has AMD's 3D V-cache technology, which stacks extra cache memory directly on top of the chip. If gaming is your main goal, the X3D version is the one to get. Ryzen 9. Ryzen 9 is AMD's flagship consumer processor. This is the one built for professionals and serious enthusiasts who need maximum power. It comes with 12 to 16 cores, making it a beast for 4K video editing, 3D modeling, large-scale rendering, and running multiple heavy programs at the same time without any slowdown at all. And just like Ryzen 7, the suffixes work the same here. You've got the X version for higher clock speeds, and you've got the X3D version, like the Ryzen 9 9950X3D, which is AMD's most powerful consumer chip right now. It combines massive core count with 3D V-cache, making it incredible for both creative work and gaming at the same time. But just to be honest, most people will never actually need a Ryzen 9. Unless you're a professional content creator, a 3D artist, or someone running really heavy workloads every day, a Ryzen 7 will handle almost everything you throw at it. Ryzen AI. The Ryzen AI is AMD's newest line of laptop processors. You'll find these chips in high-end laptops from brands like Asus, Lenovo, and HP. What makes Ryzen AI different is that it has a built-in NPU, which stands for Neural Processing Unit. This is basically a dedicated chip inside the CPU that's designed specifically to handle AI tasks. So instead of your main CPU doing all the heavy lifting for AI features, the NPU takes over, which means your laptop stays cooler and uses less power. Ryzen Threadripper. Threadripper is not a regular consumer CPU. This is AMD's workstation-grade processor, built for professionals who have extremely demanding jobs that even Ryzen 9 can't keep up with. We're talking about people who do large-scale 3D animation for film studios, run complex scientific simulations, build servers, or handle massive data processing pipelines. Threadripper chips come with up to 96 cores. Yes, 96 cores. Compare that to Ryzen 9's 16 cores, and you start to understand how different this thing is. It also supports up to 2 terabytes of RAM and has way more PCIe lanes, meaning you can connect multiple GPUs, high-speed storage drives, and other professional hardware all at once without any bottlenecks. But let me be real with you. Threadripper costs thousands of dollars, and you need a special expensive motherboard just to use it. Unless your work can directly justify the cost, you don't need this. Ryzen 9 handles almost everything a high-end user would ever need. Ryzen Pro. Ryzen Pro is AMD's business-focused version of the regular Ryzen chips. What makes Ryzen Pro special isn't raw performance, it's security and manageability. Pro chips come with AMD's Memory Guard technology, which encrypts all the data in your RAM. So if someone steals your laptop and tries to extract data from the memory, everything is scrambled and unreadable. That's a big deal for companies handling sensitive information.